ADA, we start with one hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, and we mentioned about different possibility, and I mentioned if the price consolidate for longer time, we can expect the price to drop to 1.56. That's why I mentioned we're looking for the continuation and we want to see the breakout of 1.9. All right, that's why I mentioned with the possibility of the price to drop to this level, the only time will happen if the price consolidate for long term. If not, any reversal with a sharp move flag, we can take the trade. There was a few of the best opportunity there was to look for trade from here. Anyway, for those traders, they get the trade from within this one. It depends where they get, at least if mostly for those traders, they get the trade from here. Move their stop loss to 1.9, and now I want to see what's the next. And if we move to daily chart, because as we can see, the price give us a confirmation to break out of this correction. This is what we have been looking for. That's why I mentioned we want to see the breakout of 1.9. And the only thing is, with the breakout of the previous top, the next level we're looking for is 3.18. The only thing is right now, based on daily chart, the only thing is whether the price can break the previous top, which is 2.5 or not. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. Whether we are going to get a daily correction, we cannot confirm right now. The only thing is we want to see the breakout of 2.5. And even if we move to forward chart, still we can look for continuation, because if we refer to the indicators, MACD doesn't show us a divergence. We see the divergence based on another indicators, but right now we cannot confirm with that. The only thing is the way the price consolidating here, we need to be quite careful. And if we get one more correction similar to what we have here, it can give us better confirmation. At least we see some types of the flat for continuation to for price to break 2.5. By the way, still we can look for buy based on lower time frame for the, and the only thing is we want to see whether the price can break 2.5 or not. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. But the only thing is based on 1 hour chart, we see the divergence. That's why I'm thinking there is a if we get one more correction, as long as the price haven't break 2.5, if this one turn to flat, any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation to look for next trades similar to what we get here, because there was a good opportunity to look for buy from here. And if we get the similar opportunity, this is where I'm going to look for next trade. That's mean as long as the price haven't break the 2.5, if we want to look for buy, the best opportunity if we get DP correction similar to what we have here. Because it doesn't mean we cannot look for continuation, but the way the market is moving within this range, it doesn't give us really good trade setup unless we get, I mean, unless we get anything similar to what we had here. But within this one, I don't think so we had the opportunity to look for buy. That's why if we want to look for buy, as long as the price haven't break the 2.5, we have to wait for any source of the correction, either similar to what we get here or this one. Okay. And even if we want to look for trade, I mean, for buy as a flag, we should consider as a short-term trade. All right. Anyway, we don't see really good trade setup right now. The only thing is we want to see the breakout of 2.5, and we need to be quite careful about this 1 hour divergence. 1 hour divergence, mostly we are, if it doesn't give us a confirmation for the reversal, the only thing is we are expecting to get the another correction again, similar to what we get here. This is the best, because it can give us a better opportunity to look for the next trade. Anyway, right now we have nothing else. Still, we can look for continuation. The only thing is whether the price can break 2.5, because a be the breakout of 2.5. The next level, if I move to forward chart, we're looking for is 3 point. I think is we don't have here. The next level we're looking for is 3.8. 3 point. Sorry. The next level we're looking for is 3.18. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.